How to connect Godaddy domain to Vercel in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Godaddy domain to Vercel in 2025. So first of all, you have to add and configure the domain. So Vercel provides all deployment with a Vercel app URL which enables you to share deployments with your team for collaboration. However, to provide greater personalization and flexibility to your project. So first of all, you have to navigate to domain settings on the dashboard. Pick the project to which you would like to assign your domain. Once you have selected your project, click on the settings tab and then select domains menu item. As you can see, you have to go to the settings option, and after that the project settings and domain, and after that you have to add your domain. From the domain page, click to add domain button, and you just have to simply type your domain name, or you can just copy or paste your domain like www.example.com and click on add domain. And after that, if you are add an apex domain like example.com to the project, Vercel will prompt you to the add subdomain prefix for more information about why they recommend using a www domain. So after that, if you are using wildcard domain, you can also use your custom domain as a wildcard domain by prefixing it with star dot acme.com as just a example, and click on that. And after that, you have to configure the domain. If the domain is in use by another Vercel account, you will need to verify access to the domain with a txt record. And if you are using apex domain, you will need to configure it with a record. If you are using a subdomain, you will need to configure it with a CNAME record. And you just simply go to GoDaddy for GoDaddy domain. Just go on GoDaddy and copy your domain from here and domain credentials, and you can just add your domain to the Vercel. And you can also configure subdomains with a CNAME record like this DNS records, and click on I've added my records, and that's it. That's how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. See you on the next video.